I bring in all the wishes and greetings from all the faculties of Speed Institute to Dr. Nikita for scoring rank number 3 in NIMHANS in 2021 June session in DM Neurology.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Wholehearted wishes from the entire team from Speed to you, and we are really delighted and we are very happy to have you today in this session right now.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure.
Now, can we know something about Dr. Nikita, from where she comes from, where she did her medicine, where she did MD, general medicine, and why she wants to do DM neurology, and especially why in NIMHANS?
Yes, sir. So basically all my medical schooling has been done in the Telangana state, sir, my MBBS and my MD. And during my MD time itself, I've developed a passion for neurology. Somehow it attracted me since then. And then after passing out from my MD, and I've done a year of senior residency, and then I wrote NEET after that, and I got a pretty decent rank. After that, what happened was I joined a pretty decent institute in DNB Institute. I had a newborn, so I couldn't go anywhere else. So I had to settle for my own home city. And because of some health reasons, I could not continue that, sir. So I had to stop it after a few months. And but that passion for neurology just persisted, and I thought I have to do it from a central institute. And as my journey started from 2020, sir, I've started preparing only for centrals, and specifically NIMHANS. NIMHANS was my dream, and it has finally come true.
Great. Now, so what can we know, if you don't mind, what was your score in NEET score in last year? And
yes, my NEET score was 113, sir. My rank was 113, sir. So for that rank, it was a pretty decent rank. So, but,
yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
So, and you had a passion on two aspects. One into DM neurology, and also in the institute. I think you have been very keen on that.
Very keen, sir. I wanted to do it in centrals, and especially NIMHANS was like a very cherry on top.
Now, how do you feel? I mean, now I think, after all struggle and hard work of 2 years almost from 2020. Now, is the dream come true and things accomplished? It's only the question of time to complete.
I still feel I'm dreaming, sir. It still hasn't sunk in that I got into the top institute in neurology. So I think it'll take some time for me to realize that I am there. Probably when I'm there, maybe it will realize.
Excellent. Now, can you tell us how you could manage on three perspectives? One on your specialty, your work in case you are working, and with your family, and the preparation for super specialty. How you are able to allocate time and how you could prepare? Can you tell us something about the preparation strategies?
Yes, sir. So my preparation started in mid 2020, sir. So that was when I have given my resignation, and because of health reasons, I couldn't continue. So I took some time to recuperate, and then I had a little kid to take care of. So amongst all that, I got very little time to study. But I made sure that I was reading every day. So persistently, consistently, I made sure that I have to read every day, no matter even if it's for an hour or so. I just made sure that I read every day. And that's when I was a lot of people advised me about the Speed Institute, and I've subscribed to it. And I mean, if I don't get much time to study and I'm not that very motivated to open a book and read, all I would do is pop up my headphones and just listen to the Speed videos. So of the little time I got, that way Speed helped me a lot. So I would watch the videos. Initially, my main concentration was only on neurology. So I would just read Harrison and Bradley And my whole, because I was aiming for the central, so neurology was my top priority then. So I would listen to all the videos in speed, read from Harrison's and Bradley and Adams, and then I would make my notes and keep on revising them again and again. That was how my journey was in the beginning. And then I've written the December session of NIMHANS, and I got rank 14 then. So I was in the waiting list, and I was very upset back then because I didn't know where I went wrong. I was reading Harrison, I was reading Bradley, I was making notes, I was doing what all I could in neurology, and then when I analyzed, I felt that I was losing the bits in general medicine. And that's when I got to know the importance of general medicine. Even though I'm aiming for the central institutes, is the general medicine which carries an important weightage too, even though it's a central institute. So that's when I shifted my focus to general medicine. So I started watch for medicine. I just watch speed videos, nothing else, especially Karthikeyan sir's videos. So they have helped me a lot. So I would say that this general medicine helped me jump from the waiting list to the rankers list. So
you mean
I'm
to say
very
that is an edge, the difference that could made from rank 14 in Imman's last session to this session to rank number 3 was the difference in the performance in general medicine, you feel, the key.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because especially in this paper, this session 1 of 2021 paper, general medicine had a good amount of weightage.
So were you able to watch all the videos in neurology?
I don't think it's possible for anyone, sir. It's exhaustive list of videos in speed. So I think I barely watched half of it.
So were those videos were helpful for this exam?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. They are quite helpful. Harrison sessions, there is Bradley sessions, and there is apart from that, you have a particular other sessions like pediatric neurology and other allied branches of neurology were even taught. So it was like a complete package.
So it's a pick and choose kind of package. Whatever you want, you can choose from wherever you want.
Yes, sir.
And whatever the requirement one needs, probably could get what they want.
Yes, sir.
So can we know how many hours you would have prepared at an average? I mean, sorry to ask this question, but most of the people may not have much of time. And how many hours gave you these results?
Yes, sir. So like I said, I would get very little time, sir, to study because my kid is quite small and he needs my care. And that is the reason I haven't even gone for work, sir, because of the little time I wanted to study. So I think on an average day, I would 4 hours. And in the later on phases, I think I went up to 8 hours, sir.
It's totally different from pre-PG days to pre-SS days.
Yes, sir.
It's totally different.
Yes,
in altogether in the entire approach to these exams. So it's really wonderful because see the achievement by one who has only academics and practice is different. And for a person with an academics and within a family and that too a small baby to be taken care. And it might of all this to get is really great. And we need to really congratulate you on that.
Thank you, sir. Thank
And
you.
also your family, I mean, which made you, we gave the support to you and to do this.
Yes,
and
sir.
wonderful.
Have been a strong pillar to me.
Yes. So our wishes to you and also to your entire family and for getting such a wonderful rank and your dream come true is happiness to all the faculties because this video will be seen by the faculties of the entire speed of neurology team and general medicine and they will really be very satisfied from your views and your appreciations. And can we know what would be your advice to the aspirants of neurology be your juniors, and what do you want to tell them?
I would say strike when it's hot. Just when you're in your MD, that is when you are strong with your concepts, you're strong with your Harrison. So it's a really good chance. Just out of it, you can really, I mean, if you could have the proper guidance, you can really achieve it. So I would say general medicine is a very strong foundation. Be good, no matter if you're a neurologist or a cardiologist, no matter what you become, you have to be a good physician first. So be good with your basics, and follow your passion. I mean, I couldn't have come this far if I didn't passionately love neurology. So that would be my advice. Keep working hard consistently and don't have any self-doubt. And with the proper guidance, proper channeling, anybody can achieve their dream.
Really motivating about the kind of a confidence that you carry with yourself, and wonderful. God bless you. And once again, from the entire team, we bring in all the greetings and wishes to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.